Kuringana na Mucirithania Justice Edward Muriithi, riri ni itacukia rirongoreirie gukuruhania muingi hari gutua matua makonainie na macira atari kugerera magoti-ini. Idia kuruguria mubango uyu, Muriithi oho niaugite kaunti ya Meru nikoretwo igumirwo ni macira maingi megie ngucanio cia mihaka na migunda, akihinyiriria mubango uyu ni uguteithiriria gutuithania ngucanio ici.
If there is any place where mediation is useful, it will be in this area where he has already pointed out boundary disputes and land disputes up in the north. So that even outside the community disputes, we also have sisi kwa sisi disputes, which can benefit by watu kuketi, kusaidiwa na mediator, kuelewana.
Land cases take a lot of time because of the nature of the disputes. So nawaomba sana mujaribu kufuatilia hiyo court annexed mediation hata kwa mambo ya lands.
Miario ya Muriithi ni nyititwo mbaru ni Judge George Odunga uria ugite rimwe matua ma magoti-ini makoragwo mari maritu gukinyaniria, no riu kugerera mubango uyu wa gutuithania macira nja wa magoti uyu ni undu kuhotekeka.
Hata yale madogo madogo ya nyumbani yale tunaambiwa leo tuyatumie mpaka kule nyumbani kutatua matatizo yetu. Kama ni wewe na mke wako mmekosana, wewe na jirani yako mumeambiwa ya kwamba mnaweza elewana, muongee na muelewane.
So the judge who is supposed to determine the matter knows completely nothing about the case, doesn't know who is saying the truth and who is not saying the truth. But in mediation, you will be able to say everything, and the good thing is that whatever you say will remain there.
Commissioner wa kaunti ya Meru hamwe na afitha aikiro itiganite kaunti-ini ya Meru nimuritio gutambia ndumiriri igie mubango uyu kuri muingi.
We need the wananchi to understand that there is another way of solving problems, because I can tell you what happens in Meru. Apart from the backlogs that you have in your courts, there's a lot of people taking the law into their own hands.
We don't want a situation where we are saying that we have a mediation here, we are bringing justice to the people, and then we still compel them to come to Meru. Mediation should be conducted down there.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.